Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with power tongue jack, stabilizer jacks, double step entry, flip down travel rack, spare tire, backup camera ready, outside shower, outside storage, outside speakers, LED exterior lighting, pleated shades, tire pressure monitors, TV mounting bracket, double door refrigerator, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, over-the-range microwave, high-rise faucet, fire extinguisher, sink covers, walk-around queen bed, sofa bed, front bedroom, vanity with sink, range hood with exhaust fan and light, mini blinds, overhead storage, rear bath, bathroom toilet, shower skylight. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.